So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my slime that I have purchased in only 119 rupees from Flipkart. Okay, now I'm going to unbox it. Now I have almostly cutted out the tapes. Okay, I have already unboxed it, and now there is also some sprinkles. There are many colors. There are 6 sets of slime in different colors. So I'm now going to open my first slime, that is orange. Okay, it is so squishy and I really love to play with slime. So I have opened my green slime. Okay, now it is also squishy as that, same as that. Okay, now I have opened my blue slime. It is squishy, so beautiful, and I really like the color also. It is same as those colors, those colored slimes. Okay, it is same as those colored slimes. Now I have opened my brown slime. It is so squishy like that, like other slimes. Now I have opening my red slime, and it's one of my favorite colors. Now I am opening my yellow slime, and it is just like the second most favorite color of mine. Okay, like a sunflower. Okay, bye guys.